Rogers Business Internet not working. Let's troubleshoot. First, identify the problem. Is it your modem, the signal, or a wider Rogers outage? For modem issues, power cycle it by unplugging for 30 seconds. Check for firmware updates via the Rogers app or portal. Overheating? Ensure it's well ventilated. If modem lights indicate no power or internet, contact Rogers for a replacement. For weak signal, reposition your modem router away from interference, like microwaves. Use a wired Ethernet connection for stability. Consider upgrading to Rogers Ignite gigabit plans with mesh Wi-Fi. Test your speed at speedtest.net. If it's an outage, check Rogers outage map at rogers.com/status. Business plans offer priority support, but resolution can take 24-72 hours. Remember to isolate the issue by ruling out user-end faults before escalating. To avoid future disruptions, consider hybrid connectivity models. As of 2025, 40% of Canadian businesses use secondary internet providers like Bell or Shaw. Look into Rogers' Business Continuity Program with automated failover to cellular networks. Regularly conduct modem diagnostics and signal audits. Be aware that Rogers still relies on some legacy copper lines, which can cause issues. While Rogers is investing in AI-driven predictive maintenance to reduce outages, diversifying providers is key. Emerging tech like 5G fixed wireless access offers faster recovery times during outages, and Rogers is rolling it out to business customers. The CRTC's stricter uptime guarantees are pushing Rogers to innovate, but proactive measures are essential for minimizing downtime.